Liuma igongona ria kwanirira kigiina kia makiria ma ciringi milioni 585 iria ciheanitwo ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi unyitaniri-ini na bengi ya cooperative ire cia guteithiriria ciana iria ciumite micii iria itari na uhoti na kuria mwandiki munene wa Ruhonge rwa NMS Mohamed Badi aniriire ati thukuru cia muthingi iria itakoretwo na taito cia migunda kaunti-ini ya Nairobi nigukorwo ikiamukira ica ikuhi.
We will continue to work together to ensure the issues of land problems in schools are settled once and for all by schools having their own title deeds issued to the schools.
Badi augite thukuru iria ikoretwo na ngucanio ya migunda mathomo macokaga na thi na gikiro kinene akianirira matiracoka na thutha hari gutigirira kiria gikia muingi ni giacoka moko-ini mao na ningi matigirire kaunti ya Nairobi ni akurata uria muingi ungienda.
Working with well-wishers, NGOs including UNICEF and other agencies, we continue to install hand-washing stations in our institutions, distribute sanitizers and face masks to all our 17 sub-counties.
Arutwo matanyihiire 66,000 ni mekugunika na mubango wa mbeca ici anyiti itemi sekta-ini ya githomo kaunti-ini no makiuga uteithio wa Bursary ni undu ugukorwo ugiteithiriria aciari na njira nene kuona aingi a arutwo maremagwo ni guthoma kumana na wagi wa mbeca makiuga gutire murutwo utekuheo kanya ga kugunika.
I'm an advocate of the boy child. However, the statistics that we get right now is that we have more girls within Nairobi County, but they are not in school. I guess the bursary scheme should also have a more focus on the girl child, especially in the lower levels.
Bengi ya cooperative niyo ikuheo uigiririki wa gutigirira kigiina giki ni giakinya thukuru iria arutwo aya marathomera itemi-ini ria gutigirira kuri na waragania nati hatire ukurirwo ni kanya.
That cooperative bank will ensure that the money is in the account as soon as possible. We can go a step further to ensure that you don't even have to wait for your statement. You can integrate the school accounts with the bank's system such that the school accounts are credited automatically.
Bengi ino ikoretwo no nyitaniri mwega na honge itiganite na uguo kugaciria wihokeku wa kaunti ya Nairobi mubango-ini uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.